How to use the Safe Home DIY Arsenic and Water Test Kit. Choose a well-ventilated area to conduct this test. Fill the reaction bottle to the 100 milliliter line. When you remove your test cap from the pouch, there will be a small desiccant bag inside. Just remove this desiccant bag and place it off to the side. Add in the arsenic 1 vial, put on the mixing cap, then swirl for 10 seconds. If necessary, continue swirling until the reagent is completely dissolved. Then, completely empty contents from arsenic 2, then arsenic 3, into the reaction bottle. Then put on the mixing cap and swirl for exactly 10 seconds. Quickly remove the mixing cap and put on the test cap, making sure not to invert it or shake it. Do not allow the liquid inside the bottle to contact the test pad inside the test cap, as this could void your test results. Leave the bottle alone for 30 minutes. Read your results by comparing the color of the test pad inside the test cap to the provided color chart. Black precipitate may form in the solution, inside the cap, or on the test pad during the reaction. This is normal and does not affect your result. If the final color of the solution in the reaction bottle is any shade of clear, pink, or purple, your test was conducted successfully. Thank you for choosing Safe Home for testing your home environment.